In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Asana support in just a few simple steps. Whether you've encountered an issue with your account or need assistance with the platform, knowing how to get help quickly is invaluable. Let's dive in and ensure you get the support you need without any hassle. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Asana website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL app.asana.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email that's associated with your Asana account. It's important to ensure this is correct to avoid any login issues. Now, after you've entered your email, click on the Continue button. This step verifies that you've accessed the correct account, so it's always good to double check the email if you're unsure. Next, you'll need to enter your password. Carefully type in your password, ensuring each character is accurate, especially since passwords are case sensitive. Once entered, let's proceed by clicking on the Login button. This will direct you to your Asana homepage. It's always a good practice to save your password securely or use a password manager so you don't have to remember it every time. Upon landing on your Asana homepage, look towards the upper right hand corner of the screen for the help icon, which is represented by a question mark. Clicking on this will provide you with a menu of support options. From there, you'll want to click on the option labeled Contact Support. This is your gateway to getting the help you need directly from Asana. After selecting Contact Support, a chat icon will appear in the bottom right corner of your window. Click on this icon and you'll open the Asana Support chatbot. The chatbot is designed to assist you with common issues and questions, and it's a great starting point if you're not quite sure what kind of help you need. It's intuitive and can often resolve issues quickly or guide you to a human representative if necessary. And that's it. By following these steps, you've made your way to contacting Asana support. This process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, ensuring that you can get back to your tasks with minimal disruption. Remember, support is always just a few clicks away, so don't hesitate to reach out whenever you need assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Asana more confidently.